Sentence structure and pronunciation for beginners. Number 4. Likes the bird to sing. There are 5 words, but there's only one noun, which can be the subject. So let's put bird here. And then we have sing and likes. But this is present tense and bird is third person singular. We need an S. So bird likes is the verb. Bird likes what? Likes to sing. Bird likes to sing, and then we can use the definite article in front of the verb. The bird likes to sing. The bird likes to sing. And the bird likes to sing. So let's put this together. As is very important. So we need to pronounce it like and likes. And then to. Likes to. So read this together as likes to. The bird likes to sing. The bird likes to sing. So if we just say likes to, it's not easy. So put this way, likes to, likes to. If you say likes to, it's going to be easier. The bird likes to sing. Next one, hungry, eat, when cat is meows. So there are 2 verbs. First of all, meows is the verb and is a verb. And then it can be a subject and can be a subject, can be a subject. So here, because of when, so we can put when here, and then, so this is going to be main, and this is going to be subordinate, NATE, okay. So, or independent, dependent. So we need 2 subjects, we need 2 verbs. And then this is a pronoun. Usually pronoun doesn't go at the beginning. So let's say it. And then we have cat. So if the cat is the subject, cat, the verb is meows. And then it's specific. The cat meows when it is. And then we have an adjective, hungry. The cat meows when it is hungry. So this is the sentence. The cat meows, meows. So this one, meows, meows. The cat meows when it is. So when you read this part, read it as it and is. It is. But T comes between vowel, vowel. So it flaps it. It is. Say it is. It is. The cat meows when it is. It is hungry. You can say it is, but American people say it is. It is. The cat meows when it is hungry. The next one, not are dogs quiet animals. So we have dogs and animals. And then are is a verb. So are is plural. So dog can be the subject. Animals can be the subject. But if you say animals are dogs or dogs are animals, so dogs are animals is better. Dogs are animals. Animals. So we use the animals, we use the dogs, we use the are. And dogs are quiet animals. Dogs are quiet. But dogs are not. Dogs are not. So this one is the subject and then there's nothing. So we need to change this to the capital letter. Dogs are not quiet animals. This one, quiet, quiet. Dogs are not quiet animals. Dogs are not, aren't. So this one, contraction, A-R-E-N-T, say aren't, aren't. Dogs aren't quiet, quiet. So it is 2 syllables. Quiet, 2 syllables. Quiet, accent on the first syllable. Dogs are not quiet animals. Dogs Dogs are not quiet animals. And next one, the is not total noisy. There's only one noun, so total can be the subject. Total. And singular verb is. We have not here, so is not. And then complement noisy. And then the total. The total is not noisy. The total is not noisy. And here the total. Turtle. So you can say turtle, but American people say turtle because Turtle, and then after R, T sounds like R. So it sounds like turtle, 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 and then isn't. Turtle isn't. And this one, be careful, this is noisy, noisy. The turtle is noisy. The turtle is not noisy. The turtle is not noisy. The last one, we have meow, cat likes the too. So cat is the only subject here, cat. And then meow is a verb, but there's no s. We need s to be the verb of the subject. So here, the cat likes, and then let's use the cat likes meow, and to infinitive, to meow. The cat likes to meow. The cat likes to meow. Here, the cat subject likes to again. We need to pronounce this s, so like, likes to. The cat likes to. The cat likes to meow, 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 meow. The cat likes to meow.